Every day, we encounter numbers, from catching sight of the time and date to paying for the goods and the services rendered. Now let me ask you, were you ever fascinated in how numbers are said in different languages? Great! Perhaps you would also be interested to know the Waray-waray terms for numbers. Hello everyone, my name is Alexis, and this is the Learner's Guide. In this video, we will focus on the Waray-waray terminologies for numbers. So let's get right into it. Usa, duha, tulo, upat, lima, unom, pito, walo, siyam, napulo, napulo kag usa, napulo kag duha, napulo kag tulo, napulo kag upat, napulo kag lima, napulo kag unom, napulo kag pito, napulo kag walo, napulo kag siyam, karuhaan, katluan, kapatan, kaliman, kaunman, kapituan, kawaluan, kasiyaman, usa ka gatos, usa ka yukot, usa ka ribo. Okay, a lot of Waray people watching right now are probably thinking that they are not familiar with the terminologies from numbers 11 to 90. Well, that's normal, because we don't use those terms in our ordinary conversations. Say for example, if you ask a Waray person in Tacloban how much the fare from the airport to downtown area is, you would definitely not hear them answer napulo kag walo, which means 18. Most of the time, you would get the response in English word or a borrowed word derived in Spanish. Now let's take a look at those borrowed terms. Let's begin. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1000, milyon. So when Waray people count numbers from 1 to 10 in Waray-waray terms, it is common to shift to Spanish from numbers 11 and up, especially when counting money or goods. Why? According to the history, Philippines was colonized by Spaniards for more than 300 years, so you can just imagine its influence to Filipino language. And I think back then, Filipinos were not allowed to speak in Filipino language because the Spaniards were worried that Filipinos might have insurrection or rebellion against them. Now I could be wrong about this, but you can correct me by leaving a comment down below to shed light on this matter. Anyway, so much for the history. Have you enjoyed this video? Click subscribe for more videos like this and turn on that notifications so you never miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching!